Hello. Baby, I have something to ask you, please come.
Okay dear, I was just listening to you. Because I am not okay today. I'm listening. Come on.
Okay dear. Do you ever cross your mind?
No.
Do you like me?
No.
Do you think I'm pretty?
No.
Would you cry if I left you?
No.
Would you live for me?
No.
Would you do anything for me?
No.
Would you pick me, or your life?
My life. Hey. Baby, stop crying. The reason you never cross my mind is because you are always in my mind. I don't like you, because I love you. I don't think you pretty, because you are beautiful. I don't want to be with you forever, I need to be with forever. I would not cry if you leave, I would die. I would not live for you because I would die for you. The reason why I would not do anything for you because I would do everything for you. And the reason why I chose my life is because you are my life.
Thanks you dear.